Bomba cat! World boss! Yo! World boss! Mama, you look good, you know my youth!
Respect.
Bro, yo, no, you don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro. Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro. I know you're having an amazing time right now.
Of course.
Do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this in the backyard party, whine up,
Bob,
bro?
I love that.
No cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know Ray.
Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night, though, bro. I got to keep in contact with you.
I want to introduce you to somebody. World boss.
Bomba cat! World boss! Yo! World boss! Mama, you look good, you know my youth!
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we there with a hot one, a mad one in the evening, and my people who don't know Vybz Kartel is in the United States, my people, and who don't know what's happening today. Today are the big bad Grammy show. You understand? I think at the 47th or the 48th Grammy show, my people. Mad thing. We're gonna get in because right now Vybz Kartel upon the red carpet and my people that one here look good. It look like say Vybz Kartel I go win the Grammy. People that is Cenat. Vybz Kartel I link up with upon the red carpet. And the white girl here, yo, she don't know what she do for that brother here. I tell you.
I want to introduce you to somebody. World boss.
Bomba cat! World boss!
Oh my people, but now I gonna lie. I watch back that part there a million times. You understand? This brother here genuinely happy for me Vybz Kartel. You understand? People, this is a product of Jamaica. Quality provided, produced by Jamaica. Alright, my people. Wanna tell me what you think? I could get the comment section active, my people. Alright, and they did catch up with Vybz Kartel on the red carpet, my people. And me go drop that little interview that when they did up on the red carpet, my people wanna stay tuned. You don't know. We're gonna take that Grammy here. Back to Jamaica. Right, so me go jump off. Big up on yourself. What the below my nose? I'm out.
Kind of being the face of the genre right now, the new up-and-comer, but obviously she listed you as an influence. And for those of our audience that aren't familiar with dancehall and reggae, you are a literal living legend. So what does it mean that you are you've helped birth this new, generation of artists?
I mean, it's an accomplished feeling because we put in the work, and the same way I stand on the shoulders of giants, like the Buju Banton, the Ninja Mans, the Beanie Mans. So it's good that kids can come along and say Vybz Kartel influence. So it's like a pay forward, you know what I mean? Yes. So it's a great feeling, it's an accomplished feeling, and it's humbling as well.
And what does the genre need to continue to do to continue to move forward and progress?
I mean, I think we just need to find the balance between the art and the commerce, because Jamaican music can be very rough, very kind of intolerant at times. So once we find that balance, especially the young kids coming up, they will do great, trust me.
That's interesting because the way that you recognize, you mentioned intolerance.
Yes.
And I know a lot of us who are familiar with the culture with seeing certain things that we didn't know about, and then as an adult we found out, oh, that means this, that means that. So do you think it is a conscious thing with artists now saying we are going to kind of change?
Change is inevitable, and it's the only change is inevitable, and it's the only constant. So, and I believe in that change. You know what I mean? Because it's a global marketplace, it's one world, and everybody needs to do them. That's simple as that. That's it.
Music has been, especially in the Caribbean, has been used to really speak out, in favor of politics, against politics. How do you see things continuing to kind of shift in that way?
I mean, Caribbean music, yes, showing social commentary. And it's still happening now, especially now, because a lot of things are taking place in the Caribbean in terms of the social changes, and it's a good thing. So we have people like Buju Banton still fighting the good fight. Bob Marley's a legend, even in death. So yeah, and I have my conscious songs as well. You know what I mean? Not a lot, but.
You gotta have the balance, right?
Exactly, we need the balance.
One needs to be there.
Yes, ma'am.
If it makes you feel better, I've been to many a basement party with Vybz Kartel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shout out to Brooklyn.
Yes, UK, yeah. Chill.
Thank you so much for the time. We
Oh,
really appreciate
no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Look for me, Vybz. Vybz. She love her man.
Alright, so yes, my people, you can see what going mad thing. You can see Vybz Kartel was well received in Fort Lauderdale. My people, you don't hear see them and say, yo, she had the first girl kiss Vybz Kartel in a Miami after 10 years. And one bag of thing, my people, you don't know the thing said. Yo, my people, you make me know what you think about everything what happen. Vybz Kartel just come out of prison. You don't see what go on. The man are clear miles across the world right now. You understand? A big thing, my people. This, I love it for dancehall. I love it for Vybz Kartel himself, my people. You see what I say? My people are right. Yes, I'm going to jump off and you don't know it. I'm going to stay on the video until it end. But what they below my nose, I'm out. Big up with yourself.
Vybz, look for me, Vybz. Vybz. Vybz Kartel, guys, a Fort Lauderdale. Vybz, a Fort Lauderdale. Yes. Right, that's so. Kartel, talk to it. Talk to it, Kartel. Talk to it. You can see them. Yeah. Right, that's all. Hey. Come on.